Alright.
If I was smarter, I'd have used the longer wrench for leverage. But again, this is out in the field fixes. That's about, I think I'm going to break something at this point, so we'll go ahead and loosen it. And that's set in an oversized hole.